to SR Trader. I hope everyone is doing great. In this video, I'll detailedly explain what is going in Bitcoin, why everyone is tensed about it. From almost high, it almost fell about 50%. Almost 50% of Bitcoin's wealth is wiped out in just few days. Just see this from here. Almost 51%. And now it is exactly at support. So what should retail traders do? I'll analyze all technical analysis related to Bitcoin and just see some previous data. Like I'll show in 1 week time frame. In 2018 also it fell. Same scenario happened. It was almost its lifetime high and then boom, it fell. Almost crashed. Almost I think 60 to 70%. 76% it crashed. And let's analyze what will happen in the future. This is the same spike. This is the same spike. This is the same fall. This is gonna be a same fall. Let's see what we can do here. I'll start with what had happened in 2018. क्या scenario था उधर? Let's go to 1 week time frame. It's in 1 week only. See, after some very rally, it started to fall continuously. Why? Because of some news factor. Let's say anything. I don't take news in consideration. I'll just go with technical analysis. I'll just draw some main area from where it started its blast, from where it started its rally. This could be the rally. Can you see this candle? It started it. It is a reverse bullish engulfment. Let's see till where. Almost 1 year it continuously fell. Almost 1 year. And then boom, break down. And it took few years to recover. And then we got our biggest best friend, Corona. But even Bitcoin fell, and then this rally started. Boom, biggest rally of Bitcoin ever. I'll just scroll it down. Let's see. Same like 2018 rally, 17 sorry, and fell. What would happen there? After a reversal. Say it's not reversal, it's crash, because when 50% of something goes down, it's called as crash. See, from here it started its rally, and this is the region where हमारा Elon Musk tweeted that crypto would be some boom in future days, blah blah blah. He will accept Bitcoin as payment, blah blah blah, everything. And then here he almost booked it, almost $100 million. He booked his profit. Then boom, and he told due to some climatical condition, whatever, his news, it fell. And every retail traders are trapped here. What should we do next? See, in 2018 there was a crash, and it did not recover till 2-3 years. I think we would go in same situation even here. We may fall even more, who knows. But according to technical analysis, let's go into detail what will happen in further coming months or days. I have just made chart to 1 day time frame, where every one candle represents 1 day. This could be a main potential support, and even it touched here almost $30,000. And this is a major resistance, long-term resistance, all-time high. This was also support previously, but now since price is approaching from lower side, this will act as resistance. So what next? We may see some pullback over here till here. I hope if you are a long term, you consider Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies as future, you can stay. or you can add some more here. It may break out and retest and move upside, or else it may take resistance and fall more. No one can predict. We can just say where can the price move. That's it. Can a new investor do? See, if you invest 30 rupees here, if it falls to another support, where is the another support? Don't invest overall 100 rupees everywhere. Here we will get another support. Invest 30 rupees if it falls here. Who knows, future it may go upside. This could be my idea if I invest. I'll not invest. If I invest, this could be my idea. This is what I does in stocks. Just by seeing this high, don't say अरे इतना high है कब लेना है, इतना high है इधर गिर गया क्या लेना है. See, just imagine who have invested here over here. They would be thinking अरे ये तो बड़ा बहुत high होगा, क्या होगा फ्यूचर में. Don't be in negative way. Just pick 10% of your money, total money. Who knows? It may be your next Bitcoin. Thank you guys. That's it. This is what I have analyzed. Hope you like my videos. Share, subscribe, hit that like button. If you don't like, dislike it. At least react.